Woo! What a day for Lunar Classic and the overall cryptocurrency market. Now, I know there's a number of people out there who really do not believe in TA and have some sort of disdain towards it. Now, I totally understand this frame of mind because I personally, a few years ago, felt almost exactly the same. I was trying to wrap my heads around why random lines on a chart would mean anything. But after I did more and more digging and learning, I realized that I understood what they meant. And really, all TA is showing you a market psychology, trying to show you what traders are thinking in the market rather than it just being random lines on a chart. That's what changed my mind when I realized that, and I wanted to show you what is going on today in the market. So today we are up 5.8% in the overall market, and I think this is one of the biggest moves we've seen in months, right? Bitcoin is getting close to that $1 trillion mark, which is what I was saying yesterday that I really want us to get back to, because for some reason I just like the ring to $1 trillion. There's something nice about $1 trillion. It's got a little ding 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 ding, and I want us to get back to that now. Anyway, we got Ethereum up 12% today. I've been dollar cost averaging into Ethereum over the last few months, and happy days. Solana up 10%. Basically, all of my largest positions are up significantly, and there is good old Lunar Classic. Now, look at this. Just yesterday, I was speaking right here on the channel. You can go back and see if I'm telling the truth or not, but I was speaking here about the triple bottom potentially forming, and I drew exactly what the potential trade could be like. We take this mark here, and we see the length here, and then we put it here, and that is the potential breakout. Sorry, that is the potential breakout for a trade. And what did we get? You can't write it. Look at that. We got almost identical. Look at that. Almost identical candles, right? Perfect. And the best thing about that was you didn't need to take the risk from down here. That's the risky trade. And the risky trade probably would have got you around, what's that, 6.5% return. But the not so risky trade, of course, it's still risky. It's trading. But the not so risky trade would be when it breaks the neckline. When we get the breakout from the neckline and even having a little bit of a retest here, which is what we had, we would have got a nice 4% gain. Now, 4% equals 40% if you got 10x leverage, and you can go all the way up to as much leverage as you want, right? I think you can get 25x leverage or something like that over here on BitGet for Lunar Classic. Let me just check what we can get. Yeah, 25x on Lunar Classic, but that's pretty risky. But right now, BitGet have $10,000 in a deposit bonus. And I've told you guys about this for the last week. I was fighting with them. I got us a higher deposit bonus than we had before. Now we have one of the highest deposit bonuses there is out there in the whole crypto sphere. So if you don't already have a platform for trading, both spot, you can trade on BitGet for free on spot, and for leverage trading, go sort yourself out, because BitGet's one of the best platforms out there. I personally use them, and they're doing really good right now. So that's what's happening with Lunar Classic. The reason why the market is pumping for Luna, I believe, is simply because the overall market is pumping. Now, I understand that there are a lot of people out there that for some reason think Lunar Classic has nothing to do with Bitcoin or Ethereum or crypto as a whole, but I'm here to tell you it does, because the overall market is pumping, and again, we see Lunar Classic pumping. We have some good stuff on the way. We got validators starting today, which is awesome, but the overall market is looking very nice today. We got some nice news coming, potentially a Fed pivot. We don't know yet. Don't get ahead of yourself. One thing I want to say now is, if you are in some nice profits today, take a look at your portfolio, have a think. This is potentially a fake out. We may be very well at the top of this fake out. So take a look at your portfolio. Look at it objectively. Can I withstand a drop back down again? Am I in nice profits? Is this an opportunity to take some profits? If I do take those profits, will I be okay if we go higher? If we go higher, will I be sad that I missed out? Or will I understand the reasons why I took it? For example, protecting my downside. Those are the questions you need to ask yourself in a moment like this. Hopefully I can continue to bring you value and bring you, the updates each and every day. If you trust me enough, smash up that subscribe button, and I will continue to bring you those updates each and every day. I'll see you